This tutorial runs in CREO 7. I'm gonna show you how to avoid some issues while placing the parts on assembly. So right now I'm in assembly mode and I'm about to place more parts. I can find my part or I can type the name and it jumps just somewhere in a random place. Of course, I can move it by dragging these arrows over here or spin it by rotating these circles, which is pretty straightforward. But there is another way of doing so. You press Control Alt on your keyboard and then right button mouse click and you can drag it freely on the screen and locate it somewhere near where you're gonna constrain it. The next trick is that you can still press Control Alt and middle button click and you hold it, middle button, and you spin it while your main model stays still. So after that you can constrain it. I am going to apply the coincident constraint. And see, once I'm applying it, I select one surface and another, and it jumps off the screen. So to continue, I have to find it somewhere on the screen. But how to avoid that? How not to lose the model while you placing it? So before you applying your constrained surfaces, you can disable that constraint not to be applied right away. Then you click on surfaces, but model doesn't go away, because the constraint is not applied yet. Then your second constraint, which is going to be the cylindrical coincident. You can also disable this for a second and provide these two surfaces. So now you have all your surfaces. Oh, I should set this to coincident, not normal. So now you can enable both of these. Click on second and enable second, and it goes and it jumps right in the correct place. Okay, that concludes this tutorial.